Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope everyone's doing fine. This is Shubham Giri and welcome to my channel. So today we'll cover up an important screen recorder that is called OBS. Let's get started on the installation and how do you set up. First up, type OBS in your browser. Click on the first link and you have all the three options for different platforms, that is Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Based on your platform, click on either of the link. I have Windows, so I'll click on it and it'll start the download. I'm using IDM downloader to download the file. After you have downloaded it, you have to click on install and you'll be directed to this page. So once it opens up, you won't see anything, you won't see your screen getting recorded. So I'll walk you through on how to set it up. Click on this plus sign here and click on display capture, and here give a suitable name for the display. And after you have made it, click on OK. And next we'll take a look at the settings, what all different options are there. In general category, we have pretty much you have to leave it as default. It's configured according to a system. And next, it is for streamers. If you're wanting to stream, you can select your specific platform. And next, the output bitrate and all you have to select. I've kept it as 2500 based on my graphics card. If you have a low system, you can reduce it down and leave everything as default. Next, we have audio. Audio is pretty much default, and you have to leave it as it is. Video, you don't need to touch it. You can set your screen resolution as 1920 if your desktop resolution is the same. And hotkeys, these are all the shortcuts that you need to remember for quick access, of course. And advanced, pretty much normal, leave it as it is. Close this window and you'll see your screen getting started. And there's one quick hack about it. If you don't see your screen getting recorded at the moment, so all you need to do is minimize this recorder and double click on your screen, click on display settings. Here it is. And you need to click on graphic settings, leave it as classic app, and here browse your location, OBS location, and click on it and add it to your system. And once you have done it, restart your recorder and you'll be fine. You'll be all set for recording. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.